Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Virgansyah, NPM 2331220. I'm from Informatics 23C. In this video, I will make a tutorial how to crimping local area network cables. Before we begin, we need to prepare some tools like crimping pliers, UTP cables, slicer, and connector. At least two connectors. You can use C85 or C86. In this video I use C86. The first step, you can open the cover of cables with slicer like this. You just put the slicer on the cable like this and you turn and open like this. The next step, you can arrange the cables according the picture. We start from left side to right side. uh, White, orange, uh, and then white, green, and next blue, white, blue, green, and white, brown. Okay. The next step, you need to cut this. Before you cut, you should adjust the cables with connectors to make sure the cables are not too long and not too short. Okay, you can cut this with the crimping pliers. Okay, after this, you can insert the cables into a connectors. Make sure the position connector like this, the bottom side on the top like this, and then you insert these cables like this. Make sure the the cover cables goes halfway into connectors. And the next step, you need to crimping with the crimping pliers. You just put the connectors on a slot like this, and you just hold on the crimping pliers until you hear sounds like click like this. Okay. The next you should do on the other side with the same way like this. We open the cover like this and we cut the the string with the slicer and arrange according the picture. Okay. For information, I use straight cable in this video. White, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, and white, brown. Okay. Like this. And you cut with the crimping pliers and insert into connector. Okay, like this. And you just hold the crimping pliers and okay, finish. To make sure the result the result crimping success or not, you can use tester, but I don't do that because I don't have tester in here. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.